With the answer or echo strategy, we pose a question to our class, and then we're going to call on our students and give them the opportunity to either be the answer or be the echo. If they want to give the answer, they give the answer and we move on. If they don't know what the answer is, they can choose to be an echo, in which case they're going to stand up and wait until we have a student that's actually going to give the answer. Once a correct answer is given, all of the echo students who are standing will repeat back the correct answer before taking their seats again. Now this is much easier to understand if you actually see it demonstrated, but given our current situation, I now present to you answer or echo in pandemic theater. All right, class, who can tell us the first step in how to solve this equation? Let's use answer or echo. Joe? I don't know. Echo. Okay, Joe, stand up. How about you, Carol? I'm gonna echo because I don't know the answer. Great, stand up. Sally, what's the first step in solving this equation? I don't know. Echo. Okay, Juan? I know. First, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. That's correct. My echoes, please respond back. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. Good job. Have a seat. Carol? Divide both sides of the equation by 2. Sally? What? Well, you have to respond back and echo Juan's answer. I don't know what he said. Juan? You have to divide both sides by 2. Sally? You have to divide both sides by 2. Great, please have a seat. Good job, class. So that's answer or echo. Now I want to answer a few frequently asked questions. First of all, why do we have the echo students stand up? That actually has 2 different reasons for it. First of all, it's for you. Now, I don't know about you, but when I'm teaching, I feel like my brain is an internet browser with about 73 tabs open. And so if I don't actually have those students stand up, I'm going to forget who all said echo. And guess what? They're not going to tell me. Therefore, when I have them stand up, it's an easy visual cue for me to know who to go back to once the correct answer has been given. But the second thing is that sometimes with those more reluctant students, the physical act of having to stand up is just uncomfortable enough to them that it tips them over the edge of deciding to go ahead and try for that answer instead. Now, the first couple times you try this in your classroom, it may feel a little weird because sometimes students misunderstand and think that if they say echo, they're just off the hook. But as they see it done a few times, they quickly realize they still have to pay attention and echo back the correct answer. Now, I hope it goes without saying that if somebody gives a wrong answer, and because they said answer, don't have everybody go back and echo the incorrect answer. They can either become an echo or they can give it another try, so don't have them repeat back the wrong answer. The final thing is this. If the students have done this strategy a few times, you're not likely to see more than maybe 3 or 4 students saying echo. The first couple times it may be more, but once it becomes an established classroom procedure, 3 or 4 or 5 should really be about the most echoes you're seeing. If you end up in a situation where you've got 8, 10, 12 students saying echo, it may be that that lesson didn't land quite how you thought it did. So that's a great piece of information for you to know. It's time to go back and reteach so that the next time you ask a question, you're only seeing a few echoes.